here's how to remove text in Ideogram. Look at this poor fella right here with the t-shirt saying this text makes no sense. Well, I would certainly agree with that. So let's help this dude to get rid of this text, right? First, on the left side, click on Magic Fill. Then on top, make sure that either the rectangle or the lasso mask is selected. We will go with the rectangle mask in this case. Then with your mouse, drag over the text that you would like to remove. Then on top, click on Next. And we will now need to adjust our prompt. Our prompt is saying an illustration of a casual guy in front of a city with a black t-shirt with the text, this text makes no sense. So as we completely want to remove the text, we simply delete all of that. And we also add a full stop here at the very end. So we pretty much still have the very same prompt, but we remove the text part. Now that we've done that, we finally click here on Magic Fill, and let's see what happens. And just like that, we have perfectly removed the text from our image in Ideogram. Let's have a look at the other variations as well, because as you surely know, there are always 4 different variations whenever we generate something in Ideogram. So to see the other variations, we simply left click on our image, and we can then find the variations right here. So let's have a look at the first one. Looks pretty good as well. The second one, this one's pretty amazing. The third one is the one that it showed us from the beginning. So let's have a look at the last one as well. And this one is amazing as well. Now, you can obviously also use this tactic to remove other things from your designs in Ideogram. Because if we look very closely right here, for example, there's some other weirdness going on in our picture. So let us remove that real quick as well. So once again, we would go to Magic Fill here on the left side. Then we make sure that the mask here is selected. Then we draw over the parts that we would like to remove. Then we click on Next here on top. And in this case, as the prompt is already accurate, let's just try to run the very same prompt and let's see what happens. So we click here on Magic Fill and boom, we got rid of that as well. But wait, there's obviously some more weirdness going on in our image. Let's have a closer look at this part here as well. And yeah, let's be honest guys, these people right here could very well also feature on the latest zombie movie on Netflix. So let's get rid of these guys as well. So once again, we go to Magic Fill here on the left side. We make sure that either the rectangle or the lasso mask is selected. This time let's use a lasso mask. Then we draw the mask. We click on Next on top. We leave the prompt as is because we don't actually want to replace it with something. We just want to remove it, right? So let's click on Magic Fill. And in this case, it looks like it actually added some trees here for us, which is not exactly what I expected, but I'm totally fine with it. It's definitely better what we had before. And it's good to know that our cool guy right here is not in Zombieland anymore. But let's also have a quick look at the other generations. So we left click on the image again, and we can then browse through the different generations here at the bottom by using one of these arrows right here. So let's see the previous result. This one's cool as well, a little bit less trees. This is again the one that we have originally seen, so let's see the next result. This one's a bit weird to be honest. And the last one is probably not that satisfying either. But you definitely get the idea, right? And that's it guys. This is how you remove text and, as we've seen, even zombies sometimes from an image in Ideogram. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Ideogram tutorials.